making progress. In our previous lesson, we had introduced coding. So it was just theory, and I know usually when we talk about the hands-on, and so we just have to come up with the basic structure of HTML. Then from there, we should get going. Is that okay? Yes. Okay, so we start. Want you to see what we'll be doing. I'll be asking you a lot of questions so that we move together. All right. So we said that for us to code, we need two things on our computers. And what is that we need for us to start coding? What is it that we need? Lista. We need the browser. Very good. What else? For us to achieve what we want. Yes. A text editor. So we should be in a position to give examples of text editors and also browser. So let's start with the text editors that we can use. Annie, we said you can use Notepad as a text editor, and that's what we'll be using as we begin. Yes? You can use Visual Studio Code, which is Notepad++. What else? Yes? C# as a text editor. C# is a programming language. C# is a programming language. What else? So sometimes these are answering just follow. We said C# is a programming language and not a text editor. Yes? Grace? We said Sublime. Very good. What else? Yes? Atom. Very good. Now let's look at some examples of browsers that we can use as we begin coding, because whatever will be displayed, it will be displayed at least on one of the browsers. So let's get maximizing it. And now what we need is a basic structure for HTML page. Now what we're going to do is, let me try to zoom in so that you're able to see. So we need to come up with a structure which has to start with the version of the HTML. So the version that we are using, we are saying we need to have a less than symbol there, then followed by an exclamation mark. Then we need to have what? A dot type. Then we need to have HTML. Is it visible from behind? Yes. Alright. So this one, we said this line here is simply telling us the version of the HTML that we are using. So I said this is HTML what? 5. So these are pupils at Chama Provincial STEM School. They are creating their first website. It's hands-on today. On our previous lesson we had, this is Lukele Blessing, who talked about